What's up, YouTube? So these videos are probably a day behind what day it actually is. Today is Saturday. She made it yesterday, so we're taking it to another car show today, and we just got done rinsing the 4Runner off because she's gonna drive it. Oh yeah, Ashley drove the white car today. Very proud of her. She done very, very well. It's a straight drive car now. She wants to learn how to drive a straight drive, and I was very impressed about how good she done for first time driving a stick shift car since I have known her. She has drove one a long time ago, but never like really learned, but very impressed. She done very, very well. Better than a lot of people that would jump in something like that and drive it. So anyway, we're going to a car show. I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all enjoyed the show for Myra's, the little get together we had. We had a good time. I say we had, I didn't do it. Whoever puts it on every Friday, but we had an awesome time at it. Always have a good time. So now we're heading to a car show at a church just right over the road from here. I had forgot about it because we talked about going to Tennessee today. We changed our mind not to go to Tennessee. And thank you to Zach Jones for reminding me about the car show. I don't know what time he messaged me. It was pretty late, but I think it was like 12:30 in the morning or something. And I woke up and I seen the message and I was like, let's go to the car show today at the church. So like I said, it's closed. It's local. It's a church I've been to before. Used to go to some, and a lot of people I know go there. So we're gonna go enjoy the car show. So hang with us, watch, have fun. Hope you enjoy. Hey y'all, this is what it's about. What's up, buddy? Hey, you like that? Grab steering wheel. Can you grab steering wheel? You got me a new driver, y'all. Look at him, he's happy.
Have all the turn signals on you.
Alright, y'all, we're back home. She made it again. Like I said, this wasn't far away. It was only like 3 miles up the road, so I knew it would make it no problem. Did make a little pass on it. It made right around 14 pounds a day, so that's what the gauge was reading. I think my gauge reads a little high. It's autometer gauge, but I think it reads a little higher than my map sensor does. So it's probably right around 12 or so. But I don't know. I'll have to make some passes in it, clean it out, and yeah, get going. But hey, hope y'all enjoyed the car show. See you next time.